Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your earbud Sony. So, to call Google Assistant we should use by default a right earbud. And at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas and you need to press and hold this touch areas. And now, as you can see it awake, we set up Gemini for this phone, so I call Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!